Hey you guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel, and if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today is a day 4 of the Holiday Glam series, and today the color I have chosen to play with is obviously the color green, as you can already see from my face. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this particular eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. And if you want to know how I achieved this particular base makeup look, please head on to my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @polomi_mimi, and from there you can check out this particular base makeup routine. So now without any more further ado, let's dive into the video. But before diving into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, because it will absolutely mean a world to me. So now let's finally dive into the video. So now, as you can see, that I have already done my base makeup, and I have also prepped and primed my eyelids. And to prep and prime my eyelid, I have used my all-time favorite concealer, PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. So I have used this one. And to set my eyelids, I have used a translucent HD loose powder, which is from the brand Key Beauty, which looks like this, and this is in the shade white, as you can see, because it is a translucent powder. So I have used this wonderful combination out there to set my eyelids. So now going towards my very first palette. The very first palette that I'm going to take today is going to be, this beautiful palette over here called the Morphe X James Charles palette, which is my all-time favorite palette, and it's so versatile, so good quality. I just can't stop using this one. So yeah, from this beautiful palette over here, I'm going to take this dark green color, which is this one, and I'm just going to take this color and I'm just going to put it onto my crease. Now for my second color, the color that I'm going to choose right now is going to be this light green color over here. And taking this beautiful color over here, I'm just going to give this dark green color that final blend. I am placing this shadow onto this particular area of my eyelid. So now at this point, when I'm done with that light green shade from my James Charles palette, the next color I'm going to choose is going to be from the same palette, and that's going to be this yellow color over here. And taking this yellow color, I'm just going to give it that final blend. So I'm just going to place the color onto the extreme top of my eyelid, and I'm just going to smoothly and very light-handedly blend everything. Now at this point, when I'm done blending everything out, I'm just going to go and grab a eye makeup remover, and taking this eye makeup remover from L'Oreal, I'm just going to clean up my lid space, and then I'm just going to go ahead with a cut crease to give it that sharp, crisp look. So now at this point, when I'm done cleaning up of my lid space with that eye makeup remover, I'm just going to grab my concealer from PAC, and taking this 0.5 Porcelain shade, I'm just going to cut my crease. So now at this point, when I'm done with that cut crease, I'm just going to go and take this beautiful palette over here, Just My Luck palette from Colourpop Cosmetics, and taking this beautiful green palette over here, I'm just going to grab this particular shade over here called Mary Jane, and taking this beautiful color over here. This is basically a metallic shade, so I'm just going to take this shade and put it onto the area where I have done the cut crease. This shade has a golden tint to it and has a green tint to it, so I just think that this is going to be the perfect shade for what I am visualizing about my look. So I just saw this color, like this metallic shimmery shade, and I just grabbed it. So now at this point, when I'm done with that shimmery shade from the Colourpop Cosmetics Just My Luck palette called Mary Jane, I am just going to grab my water activated liner by TF Beauty, which is basically this one, and taking this beautiful water activated liner in the shade Extra Mild, and this is basically a white water activated liner, and I'm just going to draw a thin liner onto my cut crease, like my crease where I have done the cut crease. So yeah. So now at this point, when I'm done with that TF Beauty water activated liner, I'm just going to go and draw some winged liner onto my lash line, and to do that I'm taking my all-time favorite NYX Epic ink liner, which is basically this one, and taking this I am just going to draw a winged liner. So now at this point, when I'm done with that NYX Epic ink liner and I'm done with this winged liner kind of thingy, I'm just going to take a pressed glitter, and for the pressed glitter today I have my TF Beauty pressed glitter, which is this one, and it is in the shade Tropic. So this is how the packaging looks like. So yeah, I'm just going to take this beautiful green glitter, dark green glitter, and I'm just going to put it onto like this particular inner corner of my eyes. You definitely know that none of my looks are complete without a glitter. So now at this point, when I'm done with everything, I'm just going to go and put on some mascara, and for my mascara today I'm taking my NYX Worth the Hype mascara. I'm taking this beautiful mascara over here. I'm just going to coat my lashes, and then I'm just going to put on some mascara, and then I will be done with this look. So yeah, I'm just wiggling my way up through my lashes. So now at this point, when I'm done with everything, I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies and complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So now I'm finally back after putting on my falsies, and for my falsies today I'm wearing my PAC M71 lashes, which were this one, and on my lips I'm wearing my Smashbox liquid always on liquid matte lipstick, which is in the shade Out Loud. So this is the lipstick which I am wearing right now. So yeah, this is it for my today's look, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all.